New at 6, the community is rallying around a retired San Francisco firefighter battling cancer. His family says he's been denied coverage for his treatment, and now city leaders are demanding answers from Blue Shield of California. KTVU's Crystal Bailey joins us after attending a rally today at San Francisco City Hall. Crystal?
That's right, Greg. Ken Jones served the city of San Francisco as a firefighter for 17 years, retiring over a decade ago. His wife tells us the 71-year-old was diagnosed with lung cancer last year and has spent too much energy fighting the insurance company. Now the city is joining the fight.
I know that metastatic lung cancer is not going to be cured, but we hope to have more time with Ken and more time where he's feeling good.
Helen Horvath says her husband, retired San Francisco firefighter Ken Jones, has been fighting cancer for the better part of a year. And when they showed up for his treatment at UCSF last week, they learned they were responsible for a $47,000 payment.
The doctor discovered last Wednesday when we were there for treatment that Blue Shield had denied it, and we weren't aware.
The disease likely attributed to his exposure to toxins on the job. As the San Francisco Firefighters Cancer Prevention Foundation says, 65% of firefighters will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime. A retired firefighter herself, Horvath says she expected the city-provided Medicare Advantage plan to take care of everything.
Blue Shield felt that they didn't specifically match the cancer treatment guidelines.
In a statement by Blue Shield of California, a spokesperson told us they could not comment on individual cases, but said clinical coverage is based on specific evidence-based guidelines established by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, telling us in part, we are committed to supporting our members with compassion and working with their doctors to help them access care and resources. On Friday, Mayor Daniel Lurie and Supervisors Matt Dorsey and Connie Chan joined the Firefighters Union and advocacy groups, sending this message to the insurance company.
We will go after you.
The mayor of San Francisco, the board of supervisors, has our firefighters back. We will get to the bottom of this.
They say after hearing Jones's story, they learned of 3 other firefighters who'd been denied or delayed coverage. They argue denying coverage to firefighters is a moral failure and have begun the fight to help Jones.
The outreach Budget Chair Chan and I are undertaking with our city workforce and retirees seeks to ascertain whether Blue Shield is engaging in post-claim underwriting practices to deny care and treatment.
Jones, who was unable to attend the rally at City Hall because he was receiving treatment at UCSF, was represented by his wife and daughter and dozens of firefighters.
This is not just about my father. This is about Medicare Advantage plans being allowed to delay medically necessary care behind closed doors without transparency, without accountability, and without consequences.
And the city began its contract with Blue Shield in June of 2024, replacing their existing deal with United Healthcare. Supervisor Dorsey made it clear it's a switch they regret. And in order to determine whether the denied coverage is part of a broader pattern, supervisors are asking retirees and employees that have the same issue to report them. Greg?
Yeah, Crystal, was the family ever able to appeal the denied claim?
Yeah, actually, he's been getting chemotherapy, immunotherapy, and that requires a certain number of drugs. And some of those drugs were denied and then they were accepted, but some of those drugs were then appealed and denied again. Okay. So,
a story we will continue to keep track of. Crystal.